I am Dr. Theologian Bobo, scientist and cell biologist. Ladies and gentlemen and friends, quitting smoking habit is mostly psychological. Often we encounter strong denunciation of one of our greatest traditions, which are the scores of healthy food we have been eating since long. This is because this present culture is loaded with enjoyment. What's important for you to know is you are not alone a smoker. There are so many around you. In the developed countries like United States, forget India, an estimated 24.8 million men, 23.1%, and 21.1 million women, 18.3%, are smokers. Looking across the ocean to Europe, statistics state about 12 times more British people have died from smoking than from World War II. As for the rest of the world, about 50 billion cigarettes are sold daily, or 10 million cigarettes every minute. These statistics only prove that smoking is a multi-million-dollar addiction shared by many people globally. Every 8 seconds, someone dies from tobacco use. With a statistics like this, it is difficult for those who do not smoke to understand why so many people are still smokers, why so many people light the first cigarette. There are good reasons for both of these questions. You will understand in the following sessions. People who used to smoke 15 to 20 cigarettes a day and for 14 to 15 years stops smoking, it happens. One day you may decide and say, I don't want to smoke anymore. And you may further say, at whatever the cost. And you may not smoke again. It happened to many. Dr. Thiagarajan Babu's food supplement helped many and they haven't smoked since then. Some common experience while quitting is vital thing everyone should think of. If anybody tells you quitting smoking, however, is not easy, don't care for what they say. Those who have tried will tell you it can be painful and long process. Your body is a wonderful thing, great machine. It will forget about cigarette the moment you say, I don't want to have any more cigarettes, and you start adjusting itself with my food supplement ANI. You may have some problems, say physical problems you may face for 10 to 15 days. There may be minor issues. The first may be indigestion and gastric problems. The second may be itching sensations on lips. The third may be slight headaches. The fourth may be psychological problems for 25 days, which may lead you to loss of focus. First 4 days, you may not be able to do anything or think properly or manage your products. And you may lack interest to do anything because you know that smoking gives, you think, a sense of goal achievement because you used to smoke for every half an hour, 1 hour, and it has become a fixed routine for years. Many times, you may feel that quitting smoking is the reason, or you start smoking again to overcome some problems, physical or mental, or work pressure related issues. Most of these problems are faced by everyone, remember that, and they are all pretty normal. And it is just that smokers are not habituated to experience them that way and instead to relate them to smoking. Never take this wrong step. Happy quitting and NIS with you. And third session, I give simple things to follow while quitting. Stop and take a deep breath. Taking 5 to 10 deep breaths is a good start to address nicotine craving, stress, and it will relieve you totally. You also get the benefit of inhaling clean air into your lungs without those harmful chemicals that you get from cigarettes. The second, go for a walk. Physical activity can release a chemical in your body that improves your mood and relieves stress. Walking for 30 minutes a day can be a healthy distraction, burn extra calories, and help your heart. Third one, try to relax. Stress can make your muscles tense. Relax them by stretching, deep breathing, doing yoga, getting a message, or even closing your eyes and visualizing you was in a peaceful place. Fourth, call a friend. Talking through your highs and lows with family, friends, or even a support group can give you comfort and positive reinforcement. Fifth, cut back on caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant that will increase your heart rate and your anxiety. When you are trying to decrease your stress, caffeine makes you tense, keeps you up at night, and may even cause you to want to smoke again. Beware of it. 6. Take care of your body. Drink lots of water, eat healthy, and get extra sleep. You will feel more energized and ready to handle stress. 7. Provide a way to meet people or hang out with a group who are non-smokers and non-alcoholics. 8. Divert yourself when you are alone. It's very crucial. Number 8. Number 9. Boost your confidence. Believe that you can quit. There are many ways to quit. 10. Provide an oral fixation and give you something to do with your hands if you don't regret it. 11. Serve as a companion to coffee or alcohol is seen like the thing to do after a meal because generally people go for a cigarette after a meal. 12. Calm you while you drive. 13. Reaching your social breaks. If you smoke with friends to be social or with co-workers on your lunch break, it is important to tell them that you are trying to quit and invite them to join you or tell them to help you. According to a preventive medicine study, 68% of smokers want to quit. Wow, what a beauty. And social support can be vital. But if you are not ready and if it becomes too difficult to spend time in these places where you normally smoke, think about changing your schedule or taking your breaks with non-smokers. 14th, keep yourself busy. Go for a walk, read a book, listen to music. 15. Keep your hands and your mouth busy. Chew gum, eat a healthy snack, excuse a stress ball, or play with toys. 16. After a meal, get up immediately from the table and engage in a pleasurable activity because you have been thinking smoking is pleasurable, but it is causes all the stress. I remind you. 17. If coffee is your trigger, change something about the way you drink it. Change the mug you drink from or when the place where you indulge in. Start a new habit. 18. If you smoke in your car, remove your ashtray and replace it with beautiful things or notes to remind you why you want to quit smoking. The number 19. Last but not least, at parties, try to stay away from smoking areas. Stay indoors or distance yourself from people who are smoking. This might be hard, but stay with it. You may also need to cut back on alcohol. It's hard to have willpower and stay focused on your commitment when you have had too much to drink. Knowing yourself and discovering why you smoke will help you make a plan to quit. Your heart will thank you for years to come. The last 4th session. Your understanding is most important before quitting. Finally, it is definite myelin relieves anxiety, soothes the nervous system and enhances mental clarity, but it is important you solve all your problems. Reminding, you should understand tobacco itself is a stress for the reason its craving adds to other stresses in your day-to-day life when you are trying to quit it. I mean that when it make you perfectly stop your craving for cigarette, but handling your personal problems because I know they only led you to smoking habit. Am I right? After all, it all lies in your hand and any compliments with you for quitting this deadly habit forever. It may seem challenging to find new ways to handle your stress after quitting the smoking habit because you may be spending more than half an hour to 1 hour every day buying a cigarette, smoking it, and roaming around it. But what you do those times? You should use those times productively. If you are careless, you may again start smoking, and once again you may become addict. Do not grab a cigarette when you feel stressed or anxious. Stress, whether it's from your job, relationship, carrying burdens, or just plain fast-paced living, can cause you to look for fast and easy relief. It should not be a cigarette again or any one of the tobacco products because you know very well in the long run smoking will only add to your stress by taking away your good health. Cigarette is a symbol of stress and many do not know, but because you are acquainted with me, and I'm sharing the essence of my powerful knowledge, and it is going to break you the hardcore habit of smoking right now. Grab it. Hence, to successfully quit smoking, you may need to think through your stress management options before you quit. Go through the invaluable simple steps I provided in the third session and have it secretly in your purse or handbag. Please go through it again and again, and it would automatically get fixed in your one of the brain neural synapses, and signals comes back to you from brain whenever you see any cigarette or smoker. And my tips will help you, and you don't go back for cigarette again at any cost. This would save you from thousands of rupees, but surely hundreds of rupees for a smoker directly and indirectly, saving priceless your family values. Thank you. I wish you can easily quit smoking habit irrespective of number of years you have been smoking with my food supplement all day and night. Thank you very much. Bye.